Hi children. Children, today we are going to solve question number 12 of exercise 8.4. What this question says? ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, right angle at B. Similar triangles ACD and ABE are constructed on sides AC and AB. Again I will say same thing. Let's understand the question with a figure. So what is given, children? What is given? ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angle at B. We know the meaning of isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, right angle at B. That is isosceles right angle triangle. A right angle at B and C. Isosceles means these two sides are equal, children. Okay, children? Or one line is enough for it. Right? So, ABC is an isosceles triangle, a right angle at B. Similar triangles ACD and ABE are constructed. Two more triangles are constructed. That is ACD and ABE are constructed on sides AC. Means ACD constructed on AC. AC. On AC one triangle is constructed. Whose name is ACD. Okay, children? And ABE are constructed on AB. On AB, one more triangle is constructed. Name ABF. ABF. Sorry. ABE. ABE, children. These two triangles are constructed. ACD constructed on side AC. ABE constructed on AB. These two triangles are similar. Okay, children? Find the ratio between the areas of triangles. This is very simple question. What is given? In triangle ABC, angle B is how much, children? 90 degree. Angle B is equal to 90. These two sides are equal. That is AB side is equal to BC side. AB side is equal to BC side. Okay, children? And ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle at B. Similar triangles ACD. That is triangle ACD similar to triangle ABE. ABE. These things are given, children. What we have to prove? We have to find. What you have to find, children? Find the ratio. Find the ratio. That is triangle ABE, area of triangle ABE by ACD, area of triangle ACD. This we have to find, children. Okay, children, this is the meaning of ratio. Okay. So, or you can say is to also you can put symbol area of triangle. Okay, I will write like that. Because ratios also directly I am writing area of triangle AB and area of triangle ACD is equal to question mark. So how to do this, children? So area of triangle ratio you have to find out. So is any formula for finding area of triangles here? Two formulas. One involving half into base into height. Other here by using similar triangle concept. Okay, children? So let's see what to do. Here these two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. Whatever this side, same side is this, children. Okay. So for that these two sides are equal. So let's take the right angle triangle. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. So what can we write, children? Hypotenuse side square is equal to AB square plus BC square. How? By Pythagoras theorem, children. Okay. Right. Now we use this one ABC triangle. In this, hypotenuse side square is equal to AB square plus BC square, children. Okay. After this, what to do? Okay. These two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. That is AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. Let's put it. So AC square is equal to AB square plus in place of BC. AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC. These two sides are equal. So in place of BC square I am writing AB square. Can't I write? AB side is just equal to BC. So in place of BC I wrote here AB. Or in place of AB you can write BC as you wish. Okay, in place of AB you can write BC also. Whatever you can take. So AC square is equal to AB square plus AB square 2AB square. AC square is equal to 2AB square. Okay, children. So apply root on both sides. Apply root on both the sides. So we can get the value of, if you apply root on both the sides, we can value of AC. AC is equal to root under 2. AB square root is AB. Is it not? Directly I did, children. Hope you understood. Root of AC square is equal to root of 2AB square. Okay. AB square root is AB. And AC square root is AC. That is AC is equal to root under 2 AB, children. Okay, children. Hope you understood. It's very easy. Now the problem is almost done. So we got the value of AB. Now what is the use of this AB? Whatever you find it. You have to find out the area of this and area of this. So ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angle at similar triangles ACD. So similar triangle, since it is given that since triangle ACD similar to triangle ABE. How, children? It is given. It is given. So whenever they are similar, so there is a formula, area of triangle ACD by area of triangle ABE. These two is equal to. We have to find out same? No. Reverse, children. We have to find out ratio of AB. So I am writing here triangle ABE similar to triangle, meaning is same, but it will be easy if you are writing in this order because you have to find out ratio of this is to that. Okay, children. So now I can write here, therefore area of triangle ABE upon area of triangle ACD is equal to formula. Yes, ratio of area of two similar triangles are just equal to square of ratio of their corresponding sides. Okay, put it. What are the corresponding sides? AB by AC and their square is nothing but B by CD, that is square, is equal to AE upon AD square. Okay, children. So okay, now let's check it. So therefore area of triangle ABE upon area of triangle ACD. Pick up any one from here. I am taking one, AB upon AC whole square. Okay, children. AB upon AC whole square. Okay. Write or area of, you can take any one, children, from this one. Three are there, we can choose any one. A, B, E upon area of triangle ACD is equal to AB square upon AC. In place of AC, what we have found out? Root to AB. What you have found out, children? See here in the from first, or we should write here from first. I am taking it as a number 2. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, area of triangle ABE is equal area of triangle ACD is equal to what, children? Here it's a AB square upon AC. In place of AC, what can I write? Root of 2 AB square. Root of 2 AB square. Or directly whole square is there. You can write like that also. AB upon root 2 AB whole square. Like that. AB by AC. In place of AC, directly I put root 2 AB. Okay, children? So AB cancel. So area of triangle ABE upon area of triangle ACD is equal to what, children? 1 upon root 2 whole square. Right, children? Shall I rub the space? I need some extra space here. So area of triangle ABE upon area of triangle ACD is equal to 1 upon root 2 whole square, 1 whole square, 1, root 2 whole square, root 2. So what we have to prove, children? Find the ratio between the area of triangle ABE and ACD. Same ratio, children. That is area of triangle ABE is to area of triangle ACD is equal to 1 is to 2. 1 by 2 means what? 1 is to 2. That's a simple question. Nothing, no rocket science. Simply, I chose right angle triangle. From right angle triangle, I applied the Pythagoras theorem. Find out the value of AC. Then put the formula similar triangle. So ratio of area of triangles is equal to square of their corresponding sides. Okay, children. Square of ratio of their corresponding sides. Just I simplified. Put the value of AC. I took here the value of AC. You can convert them in the form of BC, in the form of AC. Anyone you can convert. Ultimately, you will get the answer, children. So this type of questions mainly depend on theorems. If you are perfect in theorems, remember all the 4, 5 theorems, 9 theorems I hope. So you can solve any of the questions, children. Okay, children. Hope you understood.